Hi, I'm Marie Daly, the Interim Managing Director for Transport for Wales Rail Limited. I started my early career off in BT and then moved into the energy industry, and from there joined transport in the light rail, where I looked after roles such as customer service, service delivery and HR. Over the last couple of years I'd moved to the heavy rail industry, looking after People and Engagement Directorate, and now recently moving into the role of Interim Managing Director. For all women, I would absolutely advocate a role in rail. And the reason for that is I have had a great experience in terms of my role not only as a woman but seeing how difference is celebrated across the rail industry. Now, those experiences are often driven by people. What we now need to do as organisations is to make sure that we have a plan, because just willing it to happen doesn't make it happen. We've been really lucky over the last 12 months to work with the Welsh Government's diversity and engagement strategy, and that's a strategy that sits across Wales. At Transport for Wales, we want to create an environment where difference is celebrated, not only for our protected classes but for everyone, celebrating differences from across our network and from our customer base. Our leaders have a really strong responsibility to create environments where that difference is fostered, it's understood and it's celebrated, and everybody gets to be their authentic self. And that's a key message for me, is that everybody does that. We don't mirror what we think we need to be or should be, but you are your authentic self, and that is where we will share our differences and celebrate those differences every single day by being us. I am delighted that in Transport for Wales Rail Limited that we have our first female driver instructor. Bev is somebody I've worked with directly. Not only is she fantastic at her job, but she is a person that would be a great inspiration from anybody to look at for her career progression, her aptitude and her attitude.